Just as our weather is inevitable, so are taxes at this time of year, with just over 24 hours left to file them if you haven't.
Tax credits, extensions, and common misconceptions come up often at this point in the tax season. Channel 8's Jessica Blum joins us now with more to think about as you go to file this time around. Jessica?
Yeah, in a usual year, taxes would be due by April 15th. That was a Saturday, though, this year, a weekend day, and with today being a national holiday in Washington, D.C., the deadline is now tomorrow, April 18th, by midnight. Even if you have done your taxes, there's more to think about this year to make sure you're getting the most of your tax return.
Too many people wait till the last minute, try to file, probably make more mistakes, have to file corrected tax returns.
This year, taxes are due by midnight on Tuesday, April 18th. No matter if you have or have not filed your taxes for 2022, there's a chance you could be missing out on a lot of money. The money that would come back to you based on the Nebraska Property-Tax-Relief credit. Nebraska provides refundable credits for property taxes paid to school districts and community colleges for the 2022 year.
I mean, there's a lot of talk about it, but there's still a lot of people who don't take it. When we have a new customer come in, maybe 75% missed it. The first year, only less than 40% of the people claimed it. Last year, barely over 50%. This year, it'll probably be a little higher.
It isn't too late if you want to see if you qualify. You can apply for the credit going as far back to property taxes paid during the 2020 and 2021 tax seasons, but only for school district property taxes paid and not community colleges. For those of you doing your taxes this year from a tax software, there's part that offers you the credit, but you have to put in your property parcel number and the amount you paid towards your public school district and community colleges, which should be broken all down in the notice you get from your county treasurer.
It's an enormous amount of money. You know, people have to pay. A big farmer might pay $50,000 of real estate taxes, so 20% of that's $10,000 coming back.
There are separate forms to claim this money for each year. A separate form for an amended tax credit would need to be filed. But not only are these property tax credits misunderstood, so are the tax extensions when it comes to this point of the tax season.
The biggest misconception is people can know they can file an extension, but they have to pay the tax they owe tomorrow. They don't get time to pay their tax later. That's not very well understood. People call and say, I need an extension because I can't pay my tax. It's the opposite. You got to pay your tax, then you can extend.
The clock is still ticking for those needing to file, and those property tax credits I talked about may be claimed by an individual, a C corporation, a financial institution, or organization exempt from income tax. For more on this, look to our website, klkntv.com.
Yeah, some good advice. We want people out there to get as much money as they have coming to them. Thank you, Jessica, for that report.